I think my washing machine is not draining.
Oh yuck. Did you try running it a second time?
Yes, I did. I would try running it 100 times, if I thought that would help.
Well, that sounds time-consuming. If your washer does not drain, it probably will not spin as well.
Yeah, I noticed.
Well, fortunately there are some simple fixes you can try for that situation.
Good, because I am a simple guy.
Well, first you can try to unkink the hoses.
Kinky hoses, sounds kinky.
Make sure that they have no kinks, or leaks. Use a screwdriver to remove the hose, tape it with electrical tape, if need be. Make sure that you run water through the hose, to make sure there are no clogs.
Roger that. I have some around.
Once you make sure that the hoses are free and functional, you can hook them back up.
I also know that the lid switch has to be in function, in order for the lid to be properly closed. I will check that as well.
Yes, that is easy to replace, if you follow the manufacturer's directions.
What about the belts and the pumps?
You have to unscrew the back of the washer, and check to see if they are in place, and to check if the pump is getting adequate volume. You can read the meter.
I might be able to manage that. I am hoping the problem is with the hoses though. I am not really a mechanic.
Oh, you are not the lonely Maytag repairman? I thought you were.
No ma'am. I am simply a guy with a problem washing machine.
Well, start with the simplest thing first, and work from there.
I intend to, thank you, Marcephine, the lady plumber.